Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Lizzie. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. If this video helps you in any way, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. I love you guys so much. So for the brows today, I used Davis number 003, and also for concealing her brows I used LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm using Ageless foundation to conceal the top of her brow, so I'll be going in with something that looks like that of her skin tone. I'm so sorry guys, for this particular tutorial I did not do a vivid brow tutorial, but if you want a vivid brow tutorial on how I was able to achieve this brow in this video, please do let me know in the comment section and I'll be glad to help you all. So for her eyes today, I really do not remember the name of the palette, this particular palette, because it's been so long that I bought it. But for this particular color, this red I am using right now, it's from Jordan Hill, and thereafter I'll be going in with a black color so that her eyes pop. So for her crease area today, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, the same concealer I used underneath her brow. And I'm also going to be going in with a silver color from my Jordan Hill palette. Thereafter I'll be going in with purple from the same palette that I do not know the name. It's been so long I bought this palette and I love it so much because it works so much. It's like it gives me what I want all the time, but I really can't remember the name of the palette. But I do hope that subsequently I'll go to the market, I'll go check from where I bought it so that I can actually tell you guys what the name is. This Kiss Beauty eyeliner that I am using today is amazing. This is actually the first time that I am using it and I love it so much. And I'm going in with this eyeliner today because I want her eyes to pop. I really want it to look very good. I'm going in with my classic face primer today, and I'm just going to rub that into her skin properly so that the makeup stays for a long time, so that it lasts for a very long time. And then for my foundation today, I'm using my Fit Me 360. This foundation is very beautiful and I love it so much because it's so light on the skin, it's not heavy at all, and it actually gives you what you want. So I'm using my Fit Me 360 matte foundation. This is from Maybelline, and like I said, the foundation is so beautiful. Then for concealing her face today, I'm going in with my Zaron concealer, and I'm just going to conceal underneath her eyes, her jaw, her forehead, and underneath her cheekbone, and also on her nose so that it gives me a pointed nose. Okay guys, so once you're done with all of that, you want to make sure that you blend everything you've put on her face into her skin properly, so that it doesn't give you harsh lines at all, and so that it doesn't crease at any point at all. So I'm just going to be blending everything. I'm going to take my time to blend everything that I've done on her face. Please, this is very important so that your makeup can actually come out really beautiful and very nice. I'm going in with my Benyen setting powder today. I'm just going to apply that underneath her eyes, underneath her cheekbone, her jaw, and on her forehead. And then after applying it, I'm going to wait for about 5 minutes so that everything can set properly into her skin, because I want the makeup to last for a very long time. But then while I wait, I'm going to apply my lip stain on her lips. But before applying the lip stain, you want to make sure that you define her lips with a brow pencil before applying any lip stain at all, and that is what I am doing right now. So at this point, I'm going to use nude throughout. I'm going to be going in with my Kiss Beauty nude lip stain. I'm going to be applying 2 shades. One is a little bit darker than the other, but I want her face to be as I want her lips to be as nude as possible. So I'm just going to blend that properly into her lips so that it comes out really nice, while I wait for my setting powder to set into her face properly. So guys, I'm going to be wiping off the setting powder that I applied on her face. This is like a process you really need to take your time in doing. Like I always say, you don't want the makeup to crease at any point. You don't want to see harsh lines at all. So it's very important that whatever you're applying on your model's face or on your face, you blend everything properly. Like I take my time to blend everything properly because I want the makeup to come out very neat and nice. Okay, so moving on, I'll be going in with my classic brow definer, and I'm just going to be applying that underneath her cheekbone and on her nose because I want it to give me a sharp look. I want it pointed, so I'm just going to be applying my brow definer there on her nose. So guys, moving on, I'm going to be applying a little bit of blush on her face, and I'm just going to blend that properly into her skin because I really want her face to glow today. So I'll just be blending everything properly into her skin. I'll be highlighting her face today because I want her makeup to pop and I want her face to glow as much as possible. Thereafter, I'll be going in with my Nia illuminating spray because I want her makeup to glow. And after that, I'll also be going in with my Kiss Beauty setting spray because I want the makeup to last very long time. I love you guys so much, and I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share, and if you've not turned on your notification buttons, please do that so that each time I post, you will definitely be the first to know. Please check out my previous videos on how to tie gele and also how to do makeup. I love you all so much, and I just can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.